Let's look at handling JavaScript alerts and pop-up boxes. I have created a test page where you can find all JavaScript pop-up boxes. Let's go to the test page. This is the page. Regarding JavaScript, it is the programming language of the web. All modern HTML pages are using JavaScript. JavaScript is mainly used for client-side programming, for interacting with users, and to change the web page at client-side dynamically, that means locally in your browser. JavaScript has got three main types of pop-up boxes, and they are alert box, confirm box, and prompt box. An alert box is used to make sure that information or message is reported to the user. When an alert box pops up, the user will have to click OK to proceed. A confirm box is used to get the confirmation from the user for an action. For example, user can see a confirm box for a refund action, like do you want to proceed for the refund, and they can click on OK or cancel. You can also have yes or no buttons on confirm box. It is just changing the text of those buttons. A prompt box is used to get the input from the user. For example, here I can enter my name and then click OK. You can see I have got the message based on my name. JavaScript pop-up boxes are modal dialogues. That means they create a mode where the web page cannot be interacted. For example, if I click on display alert box button, now the alert box is open and I cannot click or interact with any part of the web page. I can only interact with the alert box. You need to respond to JavaScript pop-up boxes so that you can interact with the web page. Now if I click OK, the web page is available to interact. We also have HTML light boxes which look like JavaScript pop-up boxes. For example, if I go to eBay website, then let's go to a product. Let's click on this one. If I click on this product, you will see a pop-up box. This is not JavaScript pop-up box. This is HTML light box. I can right click on any of the elements and then inspect with Firebug. You can see the elements are in the web page. The HTML light box is part of the page. You can use Selenium WebDriver to interact with it or interact with the web elements in it. Also, it's not a modal dialog. If I click outside of this box, you can see I'm going to the main HTML page. I don't need to respond to HTML light box. But if you go to a JavaScript pop-up box, if I right click on this, nothing is happening. If I right click anywhere on the web page, nothing is happening. Even if I click anywhere on the web page, nothing is happening. I need to first respond to the prompt box so that I can interact with the web page. Let's go to Rediff site. It's an Indian news and shopping website. There you can see how a JavaScript alert is used. I'm going to Google and then type Rediff. This is the website we want to go. If I go to sign in page, then without entering username or password, if I click on go button, you can see this is a JavaScript alert. Let's see how to handle this alert. Typical automation actions that can be performed on JavaScript pop-up boxes are: first, verify the pop-up box and the message present on it. Second, click OK. Third, click cancel. Fourth, type into the pop-up box. Click cancel or type actions are available based on the type of pop-up box. For prompt box, all these actions are available. Let's say that The test we want to do is we want to go to this login page and then without entering username or password, click on go button. After that, verify that the alert is present and verify the text displayed on the alert. Then click OK. This is the test we want to do. Let's write the code for this. I'm creating a new Java project. I'm saying chapter 12 underscore WebDriver. This is the Java project name. Click finish. Let me add Selenium to this project. I'm going to properties, then go to Java build path, then go to libraries section, click on add external jars. This is the Selenium server jar file. Now we have Selenium functionality in our project. I'm creating a new class. Let's give the class name as JavaScript Popups. Then package name as com.test1.tests. Then we want main method. Click on finish. Let me copy the initial code to go to a new page. This is the initial code we want. The page we want to go is Rediff login page. After going to this page, we want to click on Go button without entering username or password. Let me inspect Go button. There is no ID, but it has got name. Name equal to proceed. I can use that one. I can say driver dot find element, then by dot name. The name is proceed dot click. We want to click on the go button. Now alert box will be displayed. Let's run the code up to here and see alert box is displayed or not. We are not closing the browser, so we are going to see the alert box. It has gone to Rediff login page. Okay, we have got the alert as well. Let's see how to handle this alert using Selenium. To handle this alert, first we need to switch to this alert. I can say driver dot switch to, then dot. We have a number of objects to switch to. We can switch to an alert if it's available. We can switch to a frame if it's available. We can also switch to a window if another window is available. We want to switch to alert, so let's use the alert method. If you see here, the alert method is returning alert class object. We have alert class in Selenium to handle JavaScript pop-up boxes. Let's use alert method. It will return alert class object representing our pop-up box. I can say alert equal to driver dot switch to alert. We need to import alert class. Now if I say alert dot, I can see all the methods from alert class. Let's go through these methods. We have a method called accept that we can use to click OK on the alert. Then we have a method called dismiss that we can use to click cancel on the alert. Then we have a method getText that we can use to get the displayed text on the alert. Then we have sendKeys method that we can use to type into the alert. These are the main methods. For the alert on Rediff login page, we first want to get the text, so I can say alert.getText. After that, we want to click OK, so I can say alert.accept. Let's print out the text displayed on the alert. I can say print out and then alert text, and then the value is coming from alert.getText method call. Let's say we want to wait for some time so that we can see the alert. I can say thread.sleep. Let's say wait for 3 seconds. Using getText method, you can get the text displayed on the alert, and then you can verify what alert you are getting and do the actions accordingly. Once you click OK on the alert, we will be back to the main page, and then we can start interacting with the main page. But it's a good practice to say driver dot switch to default content. That means switch back to the main page. We are ensuring that the focus is back to the main page. Now we can do some action on the main page. Let's say we want to get the text displayed on the go button, that is represented by go button value attribute. So I can say driver.findElement by name proceed, which is the go button, then dot get attribute, get value attribute. Let's print out this value, go button text, and then the value is coming from this method call. In this test, we are going to rediff login page. We are clicking on go button. We are switching to the alert displayed. We are getting the alert text so that we can verify what alert is displayed. After that, we are clicking OK on the alert. Then we are switching back to the main page. Then we are getting the go button value, which is the text displayed on the go button. Let's run this test. OK, we got the alert. It will wait for 3 seconds and then click OK. After this, switch back to main window and get the go button value attribute. Let's go to Eclipse and check the results. Alert text is please enter a valid username, which is correct. Go button text is go, which is correct. This is how you can handle JavaScript pop-up boxes with Selenium. Let's look at one more example, and this time let's look at how to deal with prompt box. I'm creating a new class. Let's give the class name as JavaScript prompt box, and then we want main method. Click on finish. I have already got the code ready. This is the code we want, and then let me copy here. In this test, we are going to our test page, then click on display prompt box button to see the prompt box. After that, we are switching to the prompt box. Then we are getting the text displayed on the prompt box. Then we are entering Bakshu in the prompt box. You can see here we are doing the type action. After that, we are clicking OK on prompt box and switching back to the main page. Let's run this test. You can see prompt box is displayed. It will type Bakshu, then click OK. After clicking OK, this message is displayed. It is exercise for you to verify whether this message is displayed or not. After clicking OK on prompt box, we got the alert text as well. Alert text is prompt box, please enter your name, which is correct. In this way, You can use the alert class to deal with any JavaScript pop-up boxes.